Hi guys, welcome to Run Deal. Today I want to show you this power steamer and cleaner. There is a lid here. The capacity is 1200 milliliter, 40 ounce, so you can fill this tank with water. And you can use this measurement cup like this. This off button here and red and orange indicator, and also there's a space here so you can put accessories inside of this, so it's really practical. And also it has a gun, you can lock it. I'll lock it. And also there are 18 accessories, like different brushes, like brush and mop for this, like this. And also you can attach these. Pretty long. And after that you can attach your brush, or this brush like this. It's pretty easy to use. And also there's an accessory for removal of your wallpaper. And I highly recommend this product.